In an old temple, quiet and bright, sat a chubby orange cat day and night. Meow, breathing slow, peaceful cat in a gentle glow.
Here comes Pig with a hey-ah-hey. Let's do kung fu, come out and play.
Kick and spin and tumble around. Oops, Pig slips, plop on the ground.
Vroom-vroom-vroom, who zooms that way? Lion on a bike goes whoosh, hooray.
Mane goes flying, looking so proud, cool and fast and roaring loud. Snip, 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 the scissors go. Cat trims gently, nice and slow.
Lion smiles, sits up tall. Floating fur goes fall, fall, fall.
Uh-oh, mirror, what is that? Lion's bald, imagine that.
Stomp, 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 he makes a face. Shiny head in a funny case.
Cat wears fur like a fluffy hat, dancing proudly, look at that.
Laugh and cheer, the fun is done. Silly friends and everyone.
Meow, 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 and ha ha. Funny days are best by far. Sing it loud and sing it light, the chubby go neigh. Meow, 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 and ha ha. Funny days are best by far. Sing it loud and sing it light, the chubby go neigh.